Hi, this is Karthik. In this session, I am going to teach you some basic operation in Microsoft Word like cut, copy, paste, and format painting. These are very basic operation in which we can do with Microsoft Word. So go to Home tab. In Home tab, you can able to find the group called as Clipboard. In Clipboard, where you can able to find cut, copy, paste, and format painter. These are the options we are going to discuss right now. Again, I repeat, inside Home tab, cut, copy, and format painter, and this one is called as paste, and it's a dialog box launcher. This is called as clipboard. So paste, that is paste all or clear all, and here we'll be having options, right? So these are the options we are going to see right now. So how to do a cut, copy, paste? First, select the area you want to copy, right, and select the area where you want to paste it, and go for paste. It will paste. And cut, if you want to cut this, select the area and then go for cut, and select the area where you want to paste, go for paste. Shortcut for cut, copy, paste is cut, Control X, paste, Control V. So copy, select the area, copy, shortcut is Control C, and paste, Control V. So this is how you want to do cut, copy, paste. And what is special in cut, copy, paste, right? And what is meant by format painter? For example, in this I am going to change the font, say some different font, Arial black, right, and go for format painter. So it will pick this format, and for example, if you select this, and this format will be applied to this. This is called as format painter. Once again I repeat, for example, if I'm going to change some fonts like this, right, I'm going to change the font, and then I am going for format painter, so that it will copy only the format, not the content. Whenever you go for format painter, it will copy only the format, not the painter. And select the area where you want to apply this. Now see, up to this area the same format will be applied. This is called as format painter. And next comes your paste. Paste means whenever you want to copy and paste is a normal option. Here is some advanced option, that is on keep source formatting. So only text it will keep on the source formatting, or merge formatting is there, and then keep only text. And if you want to set default paste, so here go to options, here advanced, here you can able to see cut, copy, paste option. Paste within the same document, keep source formatting. It means that it will keep the source formatting. Wherever you copy the content, the same source or format will be copied. Then next comes your merge formatting. It means that the source and destination will be merged. Or pasting between the documents, keep source formatting as a default, or else you can change this option. And pasting between documents when style, definition, conflict, use a destination style, right? When there is an paste between the document style, definition, conflict, then you want to use a destination style. Pasting from other programs, keep source formatting, alright? Whatever source you copy, that format will be applied. And insert and paste picture in line with text, so or else you can change, so inline or square, and behind title, in front of text, so top or bottom, like this you can able to change. Keep bullets and numbers when pasting the text within the text only option. Use the insert key for paste, right? If you want to paste, if you check this, you can use the insert key as, and show paste option button when content is pasted, right? Whenever you paste it, it will show for this option, it will show for these three options. And use smart cut and paste, right? If you want to adjust the setting, so 2000 word, adjust the sentence on word spacing automatically, adjust paragraph spacing on paste, adjust table formatting and alignment on paste, smart style behavior, merge formatting when pasting from Microsoft PowerPoint, adjust formatting when pasting from Microsoft Excel, merge pasted list without surrounding list. So these are the various options we can able to use with according to our requirements. I think you may enjoy this video, and again I will repeat. So cut, copy, paste. Whenever you want to cut, use shortcut is Control X, copy, Control C, and format painting, Control Shift C to copy only the format, and if you want to paste the format, Control Shift V to paste the format, and paste is a normal paste having a image. So keep source formatting, it's a merge formatting. See, so keep source formatting, so keep merge formatting. Whenever changes, see the different. So this is an text formatting. Alright, so these are the various options we can work with this clipboard. I think you may enjoy this video. Thanks for being with us. Thank you.